Hello, my name is Sarah. I am learning English, not just for school, not just for exams. I am learning English to speak with the world, to share my story, to understand others, to grow, to connect, to dream. My journey began with one word, hello. Then came another. My name is Sarah. Then a sentence. I am learning English. And now, every day, I practice. I speak. I listen. I read. I write. I make mistakes. I learn from them. I smile. I try again. This is my English journey, and this is my daily routine. Morning. Waking up with English. I wake up early. The sun is rising. The birds are singing. I open my eyes and say, "Good morning." I stretch my arms and say, "I feel fresh today." I look out the window and say, "It's a beautiful morning." I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth every morning, I say. I wash my face. I wash my face with cold water. I smile in the mirror. I am ready for the day. I get dressed. I choose my clothes. I wear a blue shirt and black pants. I tie my shoes. I tie my shoes tightly. I check my bag. I take my notebook, my pen, and my English book. I eat breakfast. I eat bread and drink tea. Sometimes I eat rice. Sometimes I eat fruit. I like bananas. I like mangoes. I sit with my family. Good morning, Mama. Good morning, Papa. We talk, we laugh, we share. Going to school. English on the move. I walk to school. I walk to school every day. The road is busy. The people are moving. I greet my neighbors. Hello, Mr. Diallo. Good morning, Awa. I see children playing. They play with a ball. They laugh loudly. I arrive at school. I see my friends. Hi, Alex. How are you today? He says, I'm fine, thank you. And you? I say, I'm great. Let's go to class. We enter the classroom. We sit down. I sit in the front row. I open my book. I open my English book to page 10. I take my pen. I write the date, Monday, September 13th. The teacher comes in. Good morning, class, she says. Good morning, Miss Anna, we reply. She smiles. Let's begin our English lesson. In class, learning with joy. We learn new words. Today's word is journey. She writes it on the board. We repeat, journey. She says, a journey is a trip. A journey is a path. We write, my English journey. We practice sentences. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I eat breakfast with my family. I go to school by foot. I learn English every day. We read a story. It's about a girl named Amina. She wants to be a doctor. She studies hard. She speaks English. We read together. We listen. We understand. We play a game. The teacher says a word. We act it out. She says, run. We run in place. She says, jump. We jump. She says, laugh. We laugh loudly. Learning is fun. Learning is movement. Learning is connection. Lunchtime English in conversation. It's lunchtime. We go outside. We sit under a tree. We open our lunch boxes. I have rice and fish, I say. Alex says, I have chicken and bread. Fatu says, I have beans and mango juice. We share, we taste, we talk. What do you like to eat? I ask. I like spicy food, says Alex. I like sweet food, says Fatu. I like everything, I say with a smile. We talk about our families. My mother is a nurse. My father is a driver. My sister is in university. My brother is in primary school. We talk about our dreams. I want to be a teacher, says Fatu. I want to be a pilot, says Alex. I want to be a storyteller, I say. In English, I add. Afternoon. English at home. School is over. I walk home. The sun is warm. The road is quiet. I greet my neighbors again. Good afternoon, Mr. Diallo. Good afternoon, Awa. I arrive home. I take off my shoes. I wash my hands. I help my mother. I wash the dishes. I sweep the floor. I fetch water from the tap. I talk to my little brother. Let's play, he says. We play with a ball. We play hide and seek. We laugh, we run, we speak English. Where are you? I ask. I'm behind the door, he shouts. I found you, I say. You're fast, he says. You're smart, I reply. Evening, studying with purpose. The sun begins to set. The sky turns orange. I sit at the table. I open my notebook. I do my homework. I write 5 English sentences. I read a short story. I learn 10 new words. I say them aloud. I repeat them slowly. I record my voice. I listen. I correct. And I smile. I ask my mother, "Can you listen to me?" She says, "Of course." I read my sentences. She claps. "You're doing well," she says. "Keep going." I feel proud. I feel strong. I feel ready. Night. Dreaming in English. It's nighttime. I eat dinner with my family. We talk, we laugh, we share stories. I listen to English songs. I sing along. I believe I can fly. I'm learning every day. The words touch my heart. I watch an English video. It's about a girl who travels the world. She speaks English. She meets new people. She learns new things. I close my eyes. I imagine myself speaking English in Paris, in New York, in Nairobi. I imagine helping others learn. I imagine telling my story. Before bed, I say, "Good night." I say, "Thank you for today." I say, "Tomorrow I will learn more." I close my eyes. I dream in English. Reflection. My English journey continues. This is my English journey. It is not perfect. Sometimes I forget words. Sometimes I make mistakes. But I keep going. I practice every day. I speak with courage. I listen with care. I read with curiosity. I write with joy. English is my tool. English is my bridge. English is my light. I learn from my teacher. I learn from my friends. I learn from my family. I learn from myself. Every sentence is a step. Every word is a seed. Every day is a chance. I am Sora. I am a learner. I am a speaker. I am a dreamer. And I will never stop.